A for
apple,
B for
ball,
C for
cat,
D for
dog,
E for
egg,
F for
fish,
G for
goat,
H for
ant,
N I for Vishnu I for
ice cream,
I for J for okay K for
kite,
L for
lion,
M for
monkey,
N for
rat,
O for చెప్పు ఇదిగో దగ్గర ఉంది. O for
owl,
ఓకే P for
kite,
Q for
king,
R for
rabbit,
S for
sun,
okay
T for tiger,
U for
mala,
V for
man,
okay W for
man,
okay X for
kim,
Christmas tree.
kimchi,
Y for
light,
Y for
yellow,
Z for
river.
very good.